What is that?
Good.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our Mount Ulap vlog. After our boat ride from Bohol, we are now here in Cebu, riding an airplane, and we are off to Manila. Good job, Rizin!
Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated.
We've just arrived here in NAIA Terminal 2 and we are waiting for our grab car so that we can go to the hotel to wash up, prepare our things, and to take a rest first. Going up. First things first, we are checking our bags and all the important things we need to bring during the hike. We are also refilling our 2-liter water bladder so we can have enough water. inside the van waiting for the others here in our pickup place in MOA 1 Eco.
Okay? And then sa do's and don'ts, tungkol po sa mga basura, alam ko po na
We were the last van to arrive, so we directly went to the registration area and had an orientation with Nanay Arceli, who will be our tour guide for today. Paahon na, paahon. Is it not tired? Wow, kaya pa is it? Uy. The sun was already up because we started our hike by 7 a.m., but the place was still cold. Mount Ulap is located in Itogon, Benguet. It has a total elevation of 1,846 meters above sea level.
May steps ba dyan sa kabila?
We started from Ambucao, then traversed to Santa Fe Eco Trail with a total of 9-kilometer hike. This is a tree that was struck by lightning.
So high. It's so high, no?
We've just arrived here in Peak 1, the Ambanao Peak, that offers a glimpse of the Cordillera mountain range.
tapos mamaya magpapag-carry ka.
Pagpaakyat na.
Wait na.
Kiba yung tuhod na eh. Ew, what's that? Gummy bear? Is that gummy bear?
Mount Ulap offers a picturesque view of the pine ridges that looks like it came out from a wallpaper.
Jump shot. Smile.
Forest.
Tired, Erzen?
Right now.
Huh?
Dito on the water. How to drink? Sige. More. More water.
May pa-moves din.
Hindi pa.
Pogi! Eh, Pogi!
While waiting for our turn for the famous Gungal Rock, we are here sitting down and eating ice candy.
Danis, tira ba?
2 years old. Bumalik na lang siya. Mas, ano na, yung unang bato.
Ah,
Mabigat yung
yung 2 years old.
carrier pa niya. Mabigat yung
Yung bag.
nadagdag sa bigat ng bata yung carrier.
Nga. Pakita ko na lang kay Erzin to. Water break check. Tired? Hi. Smile. Wow. Pogi. Arjun is so fast. Oh, running.
Ay, wow!
May paikot-ikot pa. Alam niyang palapit na sa summit. I drink water. Water or thirsty maybe. Uy. Gangat. Uy!
That's the famous Gungal Rock Formation. We were just there an hour ago. We took some pictures and drone shots by Lakbay Gabay Adventures. Finally, we were able to reach the Mount Ulap Eco Trail summit. There were no sea of clouds, but we were so excited and still hyper to see the sea of cows.
Look, there's a small cow. Stop it, please.
So we had our lunch here at what they call the 7-Eleven of Mount Ulap. After, we headed back to the trail in order to descend.
Buhat ah. Kiri.
This is the start of the steep, straight, and unforgiving 300-meter descent. Recently, they renovated the steps so that it will be easier for the hikers to go down and in order to avoid accidents.
Tired? No? Not tired? Magsawa ka, Erzen. Walang katapusan yan.
Ay, wow!
Tired? Tired?
Are you tired? Okay, walk on.
Yan, nag-walk na. This way, to Mount Ulap exit. Ah, wala na tong bridge.
Bridge.
Oh, that's a bridge.
It's a bridge. Not scared? Is it not scared? It's moving. Go, move forward.
Go on. It's moving. Oh my god. Ay, baga.
Oh, galihok. Maglakaw ko.
Okay.
Yay! We did it. Are you happy?
Yes,
Why? Why are you happy?
happy,
Why?
happy,
Why? Because?
because
Because? Why? Because.
Sakit ng tuhod ko.
Go, go! Ay!
Walang.
Sus. Kalay, Jud. We're no running. Hey, 9 km, finally. Picture, Zen. Go there, go. Go there. Smile. Whip, wagi. Waki. Hawak pa. Why do you keep on looking at Mama like that? Iniwan na nila tayo.
We were dropped off in Pasay and we went directly to our hotel to freshen up and to rest for at least 4 hours before our 5 a.m. flight.
Where are you? You're inside the bus.
for the airport.
Oh, we're here at the airport. We're going to the airplane now.
Urban and the school bus.
Bus. This is an airport bus.
No. Coconut all the no, I think that is the airplane is no walk on the airplane. Yeah.
What can you say? You are inside the airplane. Where are you going?
Doing.
No. No? Why? You don't want to go home? That's from the aircon. Oy. So cold. Good morning. Ako masamang tao, pumapatay lang